today we're going to the Hilux Club of Trinidad and Tobago anniversary event down in Los Iros. This is the place here. So far from what I've seen up here, it's a good turnout. I don't have my van, so I come with that too, but I just said I'll give you a little overview here before I go down. I'll pick back up the video when I reach there.
Happy place in my life, yeah. And it can't change, no way. And I just come out here to do right, hey. So whether day or night, I will never ever change. Every way I
So basically over here is just showing all the stuff that they had on display, all the stuff on sale, the giveaways, the food, the different vehicles. So just a basic walk around of everything that was there at the event.
me so fast pretend so me tell them. And when you see the liquor in me head, me live me life like it's no problem. And anybody want fight with me, tell me me only a love for them. That's why I will never ever change. I'm a happy blessed every way I go. I'm a happy blessed, never ever change. I'm a happy blessed.
Bring your friends.
How you come? They say no carnival. Come in here. I go bring my friends and you could bring your friends, and we friends will all line together. Just decide who house we liming in. This place alright, right? Right here in the back. Yeah, jam. We go tingy licky, tingy licky, tingy licky. Israel vibes and we beat in iron right here in the back. Yeah, jam. Hey, go straight in the kitchen. Grab my pot and then start beating. You hear me? Must have an announcer, someone who will keep the order to the youth, house rules and say.
We don't cast, last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, Shayo, you go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 Shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and
Yelling them a rush me. What the hell is that? When they see me in the place, party done. When they see me in the place, party done. What the hell is that? Party done. Yelling them a rush me. Party done. What the hell is that? Party done.
Come the girls that ride.
Party done.
Marshall right there by your side.
Party done.
When you talk, I am with pride.
Party done. When they see me in the place, party done.
We boy Avina, she took all the food, boy.
No sugar.
We boy. Yeah, he done all the document. Yeah.
With pride, party done once we step inside the club. We ready up, we go turn it over. We up in here.
Girl and them a rush me. What the hell is that? When they see me in the place, party done. Hold up, see girl and I'ma smash it. Bust a dance and then we slash it. Even when we drunk, hold our waist and smash it. Give no water as the can pop flashes. Never see a Trinidad girl that she wind up her waist and hold up the place. Boy, and I never have the beg 'cause I twist up the bow leg, man, and them a go. Yeah, see me coming when they see me on the street. Them yelling out to me. Let them eat the heat. Party done.
The party done.
The party done.
Yes, the party done.
Party done.
Done, done.
The party done.
The party done.
What they don't know when I give a dance, who come first gets served. Give me the so-called, turn up the bass and screw up your face like so. The party done. Party, 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 party done.
The party done. Hey.
Party, party, party.
I am coming for that ass, watch me ride it. Yeah. And when I'm finished, we go stand there united. Oh Lord. Yeah. Oh Lord. Yes, here we coming. And I bust the speakers start humming. So even the lights start coming. You take me on and lose something. Betting all the parties and shutting down the place. Chili's on your flag high, be letting go the bass. Take it from me, yeah, take it from me, yeah, take it from me, yeah, take it from me. Take it out, take it out.
Reigning champion from last year. Mark, let's go next one.
We have to tell the people on them. You got any accents? Yeah, is it? Yeah, outside! Head nice, huh?
Head nice?
You tell me? If you got any assets? Yeah? Straight up! Straight up!
Tell Monica curse up the road. Don't hold back. Ivan. Hey. You lost it, you go see. You lost it, you go see. Yeah. Where you going, garden? To put the Tobago. Go up the road. What's all our roads for? Style! Carry that bitch up the road! 2, 1, go! Go! Yes, boy! Yes, boy! Yes, boy! Yes, boy! Yes, boy! Yes, boy!
was your thoughts going into this way?
I just let me lost and go. Good. Come on this side. Come back, come back. Three, two, one, go! Oh my God! Oh my God! Boom, boom, boom!
Alright. And the shot that is taken on the screen. 3, 2, 1, go! Everybody knows. Son, let me see your life. This side, let me see you now. I wanna do one more. Give me drop blue. Hey.
We have a THCTT admin over here. How you find the event was so far?
Good.
Good?
Very good.
Nice vibes?
We went off with a bang.
Well, that's probably it for this video. I'm gonna head home in a while. We have my grandpa over here. And that's the day. We gone!